Hello everyone, today let's take a look on how we can import a DVG directly into a sketch mode. So I have a small project like this where I have a wall and a ceiling, and I have created a DVG file with some pattern which I want to import into my project to create openings in these two system families. So I will go into my file, new family. I will create my generic model. Let's go with the face based. And now I'm in my family, and in old way I will go insert, import cat, choose my pattern file, import it into my family, and now in the create mode with some extrusion or void form in this example, because I want to cut and create openings, I will just go and pick lines and go one by one picking my sketch. But as you can see, this is a lot of work, and there is a more easier and faster way to do this. So I will just go and undo this, and let's just now go into our void forms, void extrusion. And now when I'm in my sketch mode, I can import my DVG file directly into the sketch mode. So I will go with insert, import cat, choose my pattern, and always make sure to clean properly your DVG files before importing or loading them into families or anywhere. I will probably make a video about it later, but let's just now say that I have my pattern cleaned as it should be. And if I hit open, you can see that it was imported directly into the sketch and it is already sketched. So I can just select it all, move it a bit, hit OK. Now I will go into my 3D view inside my family. I will make it a little bit taller so it will be passing through, and I will leave it uncut, so I will be able to cut it with my walls and ceilings in my project. I will check this cut with voids when loaded into the project. Now I have my family which I can place on the face, so I will go into my 3D view and let's just place it somewhere. I will go with my top view. Let's go like this. Okay, I will make this a little bit better. And then I can go on my wall. Let's do something like this as a quick example. And now I will go and cut. And basically this way I was able to create some pattern openings in my system families. So me personally, I do not use this option of importing the CAD files into the sketch much, but you can probably make a good use of it. So enjoy.